Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best hybrid bikes that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Motobecane Cafe 21 Speed Hybrid. Made from aluminum, this hybrid bike is lightweight and easy to propel down the road. Its lack of weight will help you climb those steep hills with ease. Plus, with 21 speeds to choose from, you will be gliding along at top speeds in no time. On top of that, the 700C wheels and tires provide you with great traction, and you should be able to go over a variety of surfaces with little slippage or trouble. Then the comfortable and adjustable seat makes sure you have the best riding posture possible. In addition to all of that, the pedals should be a no-slip design. This keeps your feet where you put them and keeps you secure that they won't slip off. Adjustable handlebars lets you hold onto the bike with ease. At number 4. Montague Navigator Folding 700C Pavement. To give you space as you drive to your cycling starting point, this hybrid bike folds up nice and small. This gives you a little storage and transportation edge other bike owners do not have. The bike folds up to 36 by 28 by 12 inches in size. Plus, if you are between 4 feet 8 inches and 5 feet 2 inches in size, this 17-inch hybrid bike is ready to give you a comfortable ride. Once you get on the comfortable and adjustable seat, you have 27 speeds to select from. No hill will keep you down once you switch gears. In addition to these features, a bicycle rack is attached to the rear fender. You can haul your needed items with ease on this spring-loaded rack. At number 3. Rapide Disc Klaris 24-Speed Hybrid Bikes. The bright orange coloring on this hybrid bike keeps you visible in daylight or low-light conditions. No driver should miss seeing you as you ride along the street. Plus, the carbon forks should handle any bump, pothole or other obstacle you encounter, with ease. They are strong forks that hold up well. Once you have adjusted the comfortable seat and the easy-to-hold handlebars to fit your stature, you can ride quickly. The 24 available speeds make sure you can get ahead of steam up and complete your course without trouble. Stopping this lightweight aluminum hybrid bike is not difficult. The disc brakes bring you and your bike to a complete stop quickly. Its aero profile wheels handle the terrain and stopping like a pair of champions. At number 2. Gravity X-Rod Super Hybrid Bikes. This is a hybrid bike that women can enjoy with ease. Its frame is shaped to allow women to ride comfortably as well as give you great security in its durability and strength. Made from aluminum, you can easily power this bike over hilly terrain. Also, you get 7 speeds to help you build up the speed you need to make it to the finish line ahead of your mate. Once you have adjusted the seat and handlebars on this hybrid bike, your feet can relax on the possible no-slip pedals. After you get going, the wide tires and V-brakes combine to provide you with all the security you need. Your tires should hold out over rocky surfaces and the brakes should have you stopping on a dime. At number 1. Raleigh Bikes Venture 2 Hybrid Bike. Another quality hybrid bike that is designed with a woman's needs in mind. This step-through version lets you mount the bike without fear. Plus, you get a comfortable adjustable seat to sit on for hours at a time. Then the suspension forks help smooth out your ride, absorbing the impacts that come from riding roads that need a little work done to them. On top of that, the ergonomically designed handles should keep your hands nice and comfortable as you ride. After you get your new hybrid going, you can get up to speed with its built-in 21-gear system. Your riding should be fast, smooth and easy when you factor in the contribution made by the rugged 15-inch tires. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.